What's up, retards? Today we are working on my 2002 Subaru WRX wagon. Gonna be pulling off the wheels to work on these brake discs because they are extremely warped. So first we're just gonna get it up off the ground and put it down on jack stands. Now, just gotta loosen up caliper bolts, hold the caliper to the caliper bracket, which are kind of hard to see, but on to the next. Alrighty, brake calipers off. And once you pull that off, lean it back against the suspension so it doesn't dangle on your brake line. Putting unnecessary stress on the brake line is not something you want to do. Then you just gotta pound or use a puller to get your disc off. Alrighty, got that one off. Had to use a puller because it was really stuck on there. And surprise, it's got a drum parking brake, which is kind of cool. Had to add an extra part to the casting and machine it so that it can do that, which is, I would have just tied the parking brake cable into the thing like everybody else does, but you know, Subaru does things differently. So there you go, kind of cool little piece of trivia for y'all that don't have Subarus. They use a drum parking brake on their disc brakes. So still got plenty of pad left on those shoes, so I think we're good. On to the next one. This is that spot I was talking about right there. You can see where it's not getting touched by the rotor, or by the disc. You can just see like all the way around. So it's just not doing too great. So that's just, yeah, it's just, so this one needs to be machined really bad. Yep. This one comes off, and these are the bolts I used on the puller, that's why they're there. Take them out in a second. But yeah, that's pretty much done now. All I gotta do is take these and get them machined and or replace them. Let's see how bad the warp is. This one doesn't look too bad. I'm pretty sure it's all in the other one that's so bad where you can literally see a spot that's not getting touched because it's so warped. Alrighty guys, that is going to do it for this video. Obviously I ran out of footage and don't have anything else to show you that is car related, but after that it's all pretty simple. You just take those down to O'Reilly's, have them turn them, or any parts store really, most of them do it, and then just put it all back together, put the car back together, and you're good. In my case, all they needed was a little bit of turned, and they work fine now. I've been driving on it for a few months, and they do great. So, hope you learned something, and have a good day.